Title idea: should you file your own taxes or hire an accountant? The truth that could save you. Thousands. Every year, millions of people ask the same question: should I file my own taxes or should I hire a professional accountant? On one hand, tax software promises a quick and inexpensive solution. On the other hand, professional accountants claim they can maximize your return and protect you from costly mistakes. So which option actually makes the most sense? Let's break it down. Every year, millions of people ask the same question: should I file my own taxes or should I hire a professional accountant? On one hand, tax software promises a quick and inexpensive solution. On the other hand, professional accountants claim they can maximize your return and protect you from costly mistakes. So, which option actually makes the most sense? Let's break it down. Part 1. Filing your own taxes. The pros. Filing your own taxes has become easier than ever thanks to modern tax software. For individuals with very simple financial situations, such as a single job, limited deductions, and straightforward income, it can be a convenient option. First, there is the cost advantage. Most tax software platforms cost significantly less than hiring an accountant. For someone with a simple tax situation, the savings may be attractive. Second, speed and convenience. You can file from home at any time and often complete the process within an hour. Third, full control over your information. Some people prefer handling their own financial data rather than sharing it with a third party. For simple tax returns, these advantages can make self-filing appealing. Part 2. Filing your own taxes. The cons. However, self-filing also comes with risks. The biggest challenge is limited knowledge of tax regulations. Tax rules change frequently, and many people are unaware of credits, deductions, or benefits they may qualify for. Another issue is missed opportunities. Many individuals leave money on the table simply because they are unaware of deductions related to employment expenses, investments, family benefits, or business activities. There is also the risk of errors or incomplete filings. Even small mistakes can trigger reviews, delays, or reassessments. Finally, when filing on your own, you carry full responsibility if the tax authority questions your return. Part 3. Hiring a qualified accountant. The pros. Working with a qualified accountant offers several major advantages. First, expert knowledge of tax regulations. Accountants stay up to date with changing tax laws and understand how to apply them correctly. Second, maximizing deductions and credits. Professionals are trained to identify opportunities that many individuals overlook. This often results in higher refunds or lower tax liabilities. Third, compliance and accuracy. An experienced accountant ensures your return follows the applicable tax rules, reducing the risk of errors. Fourth, audit protection and guidance. If tax authorities review your return, having a professional who prepared the filing provides reassurance and support. Finally, accountants can provide strategic tax planning, helping you legally reduce taxes not only this year, but in future years as well. Part 4. Hiring an accountant. The cons. Of course, hiring a professional does involve a service fee, which may vary depending on the complexity of your tax situation. Additionally, you need to share financial information and rely on a trusted professional. However, for many individuals, these drawbacks are minor compared to the value provided. Final conclusion. When it comes down to it, filing your own taxes may work for extremely simple situations. But for anyone with investments, multiple income sources, family credits, self-employment income, or complex financial circumstances, working with a qualified accountant often makes far more sense. A professional accountant provides greater assurance of compliance, helps maximize your tax return, and minimizes the risk of costly mistakes or audits. In many cases, the value created by a professional filing far exceeds the cost. Because when it comes to taxes, it's not just about filing a return, it's about making sure you do it right.